India with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking play. And if you are returning, thank you so much for watching a previous video and coming back for another one. Today's video, we will be talking about a lifestyle topic, and it is going to be on a hair product. Renewed Hair Company. Renewed Hair Company. So this is a female-owned as well as a minority-owned business. So I love to support those whenever I can, especially if I've been using the products and really can truthfully speak about whether I like them or not. I have been using Renewed Hair Company Hair Elixir since January of this year. So it's been a little over, we're almost in August. So at least when I'm recording it, we're almost in August. So I've been using this for about over 7 months. So that's a pretty decent amount of time. And when I bought this, I got it on a Black Friday special. I saw the advertisement on Instagram, and I want to say it was like $65 for 2 4-ounce bottles. So anybody who has been buying essential oils, I think that's a pretty good price for a glass bottle, and you get 2 of these. Now, I don't know what the full price is because, like I mentioned, I did get this on a Black Friday special, but I do plan on ordering again once I am out. But as you can see, I bought 2 bottles. I'm out of the first one. I am on to the second bottle, and we are almost 8 months in. So it definitely lasts a decent amount of time. So if you divide that price by, maybe like 10 months or something like that, I think you would get a great value for money when you divide it up by your cost per use. I was about to say cost per wear since I usually am talking about fashion, but we're on to hair today. So with this, I'll just read off the different ways that you're supposed to use it, and then I'll talk a little bit about how I've been using it so you can just get a gist for kind of how I've used it and whether you may think it works for you. I also will link in the description down below a link to the website so you can check out the hair elixir. But the reason that I initially purchased this hair elixir was to not protect, but actually I noticed a lot more shedding than I preferred, and so I wanted to see if I could find something that would help with that. And that's the reason for this video, because I did see a difference. So this renewing hair elixir, it does say it is for all hair types. All hair types. It says on the bottle it stimulates follicles, strengthen, and decrease shedding. So on the back there are a few ways that they suggest that you use it. So the directions say to apply 5 to 10 drops throughout the entire scalp, and then you want to massage it in that area for 2 to 3 minutes. I will admit I do not massage it in, just because when I'm using it, I use it usually twice a week when I have my hair in like a protective style like I do now. So I'm not really wanting to massage it because then I'm loosening up the protective style. So I don't massage it, so you might get some extra benefit or see a difference quicker by doing that. But just wanted to throw that out there. Now, the different uses it has is for three different uses, So that first one is going to be a hot oil treatment. So basically, you know what that means. You want to heat up the bottle, put this on your scalp, and then sit under a dryer or overnight for 30 minutes. So usually on my wash day, I will use it like that. I will put a few drops into my pre-poo, mix it all in together, mix it through my hair, detangle it, put a plastic cap on it. Now, most of the time, I don't leave it in overnight, but I do leave it in for a significant amount of time under that plastic cap. So I will wear it probably 8 to 10 hours on wash day. So all you natural hair girls out there, you know what I mean. So on wash day, I'm letting it soaking in, and I'm letting it just take its time. And so it's in my hair for anywhere from 6 to 10 hours. It just depends on how early I get started and when I have finally convinced myself that I need to go ahead and wash my hair. So that's one way that I use it, as well as how they have it listed here. So also they mentioned using it as a conditioning treatment. So what the directions for that say, apply to freshly washed wet hair with conditioner and leave in for 5 minutes to add nourishment, and then it says for a deep treatment, you want to sit under heat for 30 minutes. I was about to say a heated dryer, but I'm putting words in here. It does not say that, even though that's what that means. But anyway, so I don't use it in that way as a conditioning treatment, but that is another way you can use it. And then in addition to that is the pre-poo. So that's another way that like I mentioned, I do use it. So you apply it to the hair before shampooing, and it'll help improve detangling, and then you end up washing it out. So during the week, like I mentioned, I do drop it into my hair. I don't put a shower cap on it. Now, once a week, I do try to do some type of like steaming effect. I will oil my hair, moisturize the scalp as well as my hair follicles, and then put a shower cap over my head, and while I'm showering, let the steam, my body heat, do some extra work to add some more nourishment to my hair. So I will use it in that way as well, but for the most part, that's how I'm using it. I'm adding it to my scalp twice a week, and then once a week on wash day, I'm pretty much using it like a pre-poo treatment, basically. So that's how I've been using it. And like I said, I have seen results, which is the reason why I recorded this video. And so definitely check it out if you're looking for something to help with shedding, if you're looking for some type of preventative measure. I still continue to use it because I do like trying to use essential oil products and things like that, where when I'm reading on the back of the bottle, I don't see those additives that you don't want to see, like mink oil and paraffin and all of those other things that are not natural ingredients. So this one has a lot of natural ingredients in it, some of those including gooseberry, vitamin C, and you have your normal sweet almond oil. There's also a grapeseed oil in here, and there's some other ones that's mixed in here. So definitely check out Renewed Hair Company if you have not heard of them before. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying the lifestyle content. Also, give me a thumbs up if you've heard of Renewed Hair Company. I'd like to see how many of you guys have tried them out. If you have any questions for me, leave those in the comments down below. And even if you just want to say hello, go ahead and do that too. I love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching. I typically load videos every Wednesday covering topics related to fashion, luxury, contemporary brands, more so focus on the pre-owned side of things. But I do throw in unboxings from time to time, as well as lifestyle topics like this where I do product reviews or other type of topics. So definitely keep on coming back and checking me out. I thank you so much for the time that you spent with me today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.